What are the most common pool design mistakes you see?
Um, and I'm not going to call them mistakes, but I'm just going to call them that they are going to increase your maintenance or make it more difficult to service the pool. We for a long time have had the free-form pools where they're, and that's not so much a maintenance issue, but okay, now we're adding like the covered grotto where you've got, this covered portion of the pool. It's almost impossible if you're, for instance, have a weekly pool service. It's almost impossible for that guy to clean it because he can't get to it. He can't get his brush to it from above it. He can't get his brush to it from across the pool. He can't get his brush to it from beside the pool. So it's a very hard thing to keep clean. The only way to actually clean it is from inside the pool. Your pool service guy is not getting in your pool every week to clean that grotto out. So it's something you're going to have to do. Those are the sorts of things that you don't think about. Champagne spas, they're the spas that fill over on all sides. They've got a channel around them. That channel almost always gets filled up with dirt because that's where dirt collects. So it's another spot where it's a lot of extra cleaning. It looks great, but again, it's an extra cleaning. If you want that, that's okay. But you should know those things. And a guy selling you a pool is not necessarily going to tell you that because he's trying to sell you the pool. I'm going to tell you all of the things about this design that are good and bad.
How should homeowners think about pool layout and backyard flow?
So that's, again, a very unique question in that it depends what you're trying to accomplish. So are you doing a full backyard design where you've got an outdoor kitchen and a pool and a spa? I mean, you really got to think through your flow at that point. How do you want to go from inside the house to outside the house? What do you want to go to first? How do you want those areas to intermingle? So you really do have to think through the flow, but the simplest rule of thumb is you're going to use your pool more the closer it is to your house. Say every foot you move from the house is 1% less you're going to use it, or some amount.
What's more important, aesthetics or engineering?
They're both equally important. And done correctly, the aesthetics are going to feed the engineering. The engineering basically backs up the aesthetics. So, can I actually do that? That's basically is. I've got this great idea. Engineering is, can I actually do that? In most cases, you can. Now, what's it going to cost? Because I can do a lot of things. Am I willing to pay for it? That's the question. Do you want to go pay and get your lot replatted because we need to move easements around, that sort of thing? You can accomplish almost anything you want to accomplish. Just how much money are you willing to spend?